Hello, kids. Today we are going to learn about fruits and how to spell their names. Fruits are delicious and healthy foods that come in different shapes, colors, and flavors. Hello, I'm an apple. I am a fruit that grows on trees and is widely eaten by people all over the world. I'm round and crunchy, and you can slice me and dice me. To spell my name, you can start with the letter A, then add P, T, and L, and finally add E at the end. So, my name is spelled APPLE. Hi, I'm a banana. I'm a fruit that is usually yellow when ripe and is rich in potassium and fiber. I'm long and yellow, and you can peel me. To spell my name, you can start with the letter B, then add A, N, A, N, and A at the end. So, my name is spelled BNN. Hi, I'm grape. I'm a small, round fruit that grows on vines and is often used to make wine. I'm small and round, and you can eat me with or without my seeds. To spell my name, you can start with the letter G, then add R, A, P, and E at the end. So, my name is spelled GRAPE. Hi, I'm mango. I'm a sweet fruit that grows on trees and is often eaten fresh or used in desserts. I'm sweet and juicy, and I come in different colors like red, yellow, and green. To spell my name, you can start with the letter M, then add A, N, G, and O at the end. So, my name is spelled MANGO. Hi, I'm orange. I'm a sweet fruit that is often eaten fresh or used to make juice. I'm round and orange, and you can peel me. To spell my name, you can start with the letter O, then add R, A, N, G, and E at the end. So, my name is spelled ORNG. Now you know the names and spellings of fruits. I hope you had fun learning about them. Thanks for joining us on this awe-inspiring journey through the world of fruits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting episodes of Learn with Toto.